Lesson number 11. Today the topic is the biggest problem in the world. The aim of the lesson is to learn sentences about the biggest problem in the world. So for this lesson, I have chosen a problem, but you can choose a different problem as well. Okay, let's begin. So we could say there are many problems in the world. We read them in combination, like 3 or 2 words together, depending on you. Okay, if you think that you could read 4 words together, that's okay, right? They are, okay, contraction, okay, combining. There are many problems in the world. Down. I think garbage, okay, bitch. So like this one, right? When you say it, garbage is the biggest problem. So generally, because of biggest, we want to focus more on this one. This will be weak. Okay, so we say, I think garbage is the biggest problem. First, it pollutes air. Okay, pollutes, it makes it bad. Okay, we cannot breathe that air, so it's not good. When garbage, okay, remember, when garbage is not managed properly, it becomes smelly. So you don't like that air. Okay? When you breathe that air, you don't like it. You can also say isn't, okay, but we want to stress on not to say that it is about not. Okay? When garbage is not managed properly, it becomes smelly. Okay? So not is important to give the information that this is something not that we want to talk about. Okay. Second, it makes water dirty. So not clean, okay? Because when it rains, then garbage goes into water. Okay. So when it rains, so rains, garbage, okay, runs, z, and z. Again, you cannot say runs, difficult, okay? Runs into z, okay, zinto, so maybe you can combine that. Runs into our rivers, okay, rivers, and oceans, okay, and it becomes shorter, okay? When it rains, garbage runs into our rivers and oceans. Third, it's dangerous for water and land animals. So it will be short again. It's dangerous for water and land animals, so not good for them. Okay, dangerous. It can kill them. Okay, they can die. So we can say animals. So here again z, right? So here again z, because animals, vibration, eat garbage. Remember, garbage, not garbage. Animals die. Okay. Animals eat garbage. Animals die. To sum up is like the in the end or finally. Okay. In conclusion. If you have watched my previous lessons, you would know I have used in a nutshell. So quite similar. So in the end, you are giving the ideas again. The biggest problem in the world is garbage. Okay. It pollutes air, makes water dirty, and kills animals. Okay, all right, so let's see what we have now. If the question is, what's the biggest problem in the world? You could say, there are many problems in the world. but, okay, but I think. So sometimes you only hear but I think. That's okay, yeah, because when we speak fast. So there's no need to say but every time, but you can say but as well. But I think garbage is the biggest problem. So yeah, you can combine them as well. It will happen automatically. First, it pollutes air. When garbage is not, stress here, managed properly, it becomes smelly. Second, it makes water dirty. When it rains, garbage runs into our rivers and oceans. Again, this one also z, okay. Third, it's dangerous for water and land animals. So again, this one will be shorter, okay. Animals, okay, like here. Animals eat garbage, and die. So I've combined two sentences and made them into one. Okay, so remember the rule, you can use and to connect two different sentences. Okay, to sum up, the biggest problem in the world is garbage, because, okay, to combine, it pollutes air, makes water dirty, and kills animals. Okay, all right, let me read one more time without stopping so that you can practice later. Okay, so the question is, what's the biggest problem in the world? There are many problems in the world, but I think garbage is the biggest problem. First, it pollutes air. When garbage is not managed properly, it becomes smelly. Second, it makes water dirty. When it rains, garbage runs into our rivers and oceans. Third, it's dangerous for water and land animals. Animals eat garbage and die. To sum up, the biggest problem in the world is garbage, because it pollutes air, makes water dirty, and kills animals. Okay? This word you can say because or because, but I think as you read, it becomes weaker, so you say because. Okay. All right, so keep practicing. I'll be back with another lesson. Take care and see you. Bye bye.